Hello, everybody. This is Gary Shreve coming to you from our beautiful home office here in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's great to be here on this Forever Facebook Live. It's been a while since I've been on and probably a little bit too long, so I am really excited to be here with you guys today. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about products, but before I do that, I do want to give a quick shout out to all of our wonderful employees, operation employees around the world. First, to all those in our global offices, our international countries, for what you're doing on a daily basis. We're really proud of them. They've done a great job of keeping the product flowing to each of you, to all those that take the orders and pack the orders and ship them out and stock the shelves, all the staff there in the offices globally. We're so proud of you and thank you guys for what you're doing, especially during these difficult times. I also want to tell our employees of Aloe Vera America, Forever Nutraceutical, Forever Direct, Mission, and the Dominican Republic, how proud I know Rex, Greg, and I am of all of you. Even during these difficult times, the products have been flowing. The aloe's moving from the fields to Ava, the products from Ava and FN to FD into the countries. Just so proud of each of you. Thank you for your dedication for the Forever family. We really are very grateful. It's been a unique and difficult time. We've faced on the operational side of the business some very different and hard challenges. We've seen our lead times for components and raw materials in some cases double, triple, or quadruple. And so that means that our staff have to be even that much more diligent than normal in regards to forecasting and making sure that we are ordering in time to make sure that you have a steady supply of products to be able to continue to build your business and share with those around you. And I have to tell you, they've done a great job. We've had some more unique challenges. Just recently, we had a container ship off the coast of Europe that had 12 of our containers on it, full of our great Forever products, that was quarantined off the coast because a member of the crew ended up with COVID. And once one member of the crew tested positive, I guess a few more tested positive, and then they had to wait 14 days until there were no other positive tests or symptoms. And so that container ship ended up sitting out in the water for nearly a month with our products on board, with nothing we could do about it. But our great staff at Ava and Forever Direct worked diligently to keep the products moving and make sure that you were stocked and had a steady supply. So just, again, really proud of them. This is a unique time and with unique challenges, but also gives us the opportunity to come up with some unique solutions and answers, which our staff have been great at doing, done a wonderful job. So the other day, I was reading an article, and it was talking about the impact that COVID has had, and this was based here in the States, but I can only imagine it's the same globally, but the impact it's had on us as individuals. When you look at the quarantining and the social distancing that many of us are doing, and the change that is for us in our life that we've never done before. And it talked about the emotional strain that brings upon us, greater levels of depression, unfortunately, and anxiety, and kind of that feeling of loneliness and just kind of feeling down. It talked about the lack of energy that people feel, just lack of motivation to kind of get up and get moving because your normal routine isn't there in most cases because of the new challenges that we face. And with that, it talked about weight gain and how many people during this time have seen a few pounds or kilos be added on to their bodies, unfortunately, because, again, just that routine's broken up and there's just kind of a lack of motivation and movement and energy. And so I thought, as I was preparing for this Facebook Live, I thought, you know what a great topic to talk about. Let's talk about energy. I think any of us, particularly as we get older, would always love to have more energy. I know for me, as I've aged, it becomes more of a challenge, but I have learned that there are certain things that give me more energy. I think a positive outlook on life gives you more energy. I know that eating healthy and consuming good things for my body gives me more energy. And I know the more I exercise, the more energy I have. And so I want to talk a little bit about products that help add to that. That will help boost that level of motivation and hopefully energy for us. And as we all know, the number one product, the foundation for everything for us and forever, is the aloe vera gel, obviously. And we know that aloe gel helps us with the absorption of other nutrients. So not only of the other foods that we're eating, but also the other nutrients that we're consuming. And so to me, the foundation and the basis is aloe vera gel. We know also that aloe gel helps support natural, healthy energy levels. And if I could just give you a little tip, that would be make sure you start off every day with a 330. I know that is my routine. I love the 330. The thing I love about it is it's quick, it's convenient, and it's the right amount of aloe for me. And so I can grab it out of the fridge, cold and crisp, and pop it open and just drink it and enjoy the benefits of the aloe. Aloe is fantastic, but when it comes to energy, you've heard me talk before about the power of mixing aloe with RG+, and particularly the 330. The perfect combination is a 330 of aloe with 1 stick pack of RG+. We know that RG+ has L-arginine, which is an essential amino acid that helps produce another chemical within our body called nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is produced naturally within the body. However, as we age, like with many other things, our body starts to produce less nitric oxides. It starts to convert it less and less, and we start to see lower levels of it as we age. And nitric oxide is important for circulation because it helps support the healthy blood flow, which takes the nutrients and the oxygen to the rest of our bodies, to the extremities of the bodies. We also know that RG Plus is full of B vitamins, which are also been scientifically proven to support natural levels of energy. And so if I could give you that recommendation again, that combination of your 330 of aloe vera gel with a stick pack of RG Plus every morning, I think that would be a great kickstart to anybody's day. Try it. If you haven't done it yet, try it. Try it for 14 days and see the difference. I think you'll start to notice it quite quickly. It's a great combination, a powerful combination. One thing I do want to tell you too, just another quick tip in regards to the RG Plus. Like any vitamin or mineral, as you know, ours are all natural. And so the moment you open that stick pack and you pour it in, whether it's into your aloe vera gel, or I know many of you pour it into water bottles, into your water, as time goes on, the power and the potency of those vitamins and minerals can have a tendency to fade, to diminish. And so we always recommend you want to drink that within about 30 to 45 minutes of pouring it into your beverage. Consume that RG Plus for the full maximum benefit. A great combination though, again, your aloe with your RG Plus. All right, let's talk about one of my favorites, and that is Fab and FabX. You know, I typically like to take Fab in the afternoon for the kind of that after lunch pick me up if I'm feeling a little down, a little lack of energy or focus. It's a great natural pick me up. Again, it has the natural guarana in it, along with many of the B vitamins, which, as we just stated, helps give you the natural energy that you need. But recently, we just launched Forever Focus last year, and Forever Focus is a very powerful product. It's a great product. It's one that we spent a lot of time in our research and development of. It is scientifically based. The ingredients are what we call active ingredients, meaning they have a function and they work within the body. And one thing that we've seen and we've learned is the combination, again, here we're looking at another combination, but the combination of a Fab, whether it's Fab or FabX, with your Forever Focus in the morning is a great way to give your brain sustainable nutrients and energy throughout the day for memory, focus, and concentration. These two products work great together, the Focus and the Fab, and they are really a quite powerful combination. Your brain requires energy to function correctly like anything within the body. And Forever Focus is a great product to give your brain what it needs. It contains a patented product called Cognizin. Cognizin is, like I said, is a patented product within the Forever Focus that supports healthy level of brain nutrients. And so it gives your brain the power that it needs to, again, maintain memory, focus, and concentration. Forever Focus also contains L-tyrosine, which is, it's known as the kind of contributing to what they call the happy hormones, which are dopamine and norepinephrine. These happy hormones help create a better sense of well-being and happiness within our brain, which then obviously translates to the rest of our lives. And so Forever Focus, as I mentioned, isn't just for brain function, memory, concentration, but it actually can help us feel a little better, give us a little boost that sometimes we need on our daily basis. My recommendation, and what I would tell anyone, is use the combination of Forever Focus and Fab in the mornings. We have seen a number of our FBOs, and even here at the home office myself, a lot of people were hesitant to start off with using the Forever Focus because they thought, oh, you know what, I do well. My brain works great. I have the energy I need. But once they started using it, they come back for more. They see that difference. I can tell you guys, you might be able to see this here. I actually have my Forever Focus sat right here on my desk because that's how I start off my day. Great new product. It's still rolling out to a few parts of the world, but use it and you're going to see the difference. Now, another product that is fantastic in regards to energy, and I mentioned earlier that one of the challenges that this article mentioned was weight gain. And the weight gain comes, I think, from probably diet, having a non-mobile sedentary life, meaning we're sitting around a little bit more, but also just the lack of movement and exercise. And as you know, we have our Forever Therm, which is a great product. It is a jump start for our metabolism. We know that the metabolism is what helps to control the burning of calories within our body. It's a great boost and a jump start to our metabolism. It's natural energy that comes from the green tea and the guarana within the Forever Therm. And it helps to burn some of that excess, maybe food storages that we have within our body. So a great one also. If you're looking for energy and to get back to exercising and looking at losing a few pounds or kilos, whatever it may be, look at Forever Therm. Also a great addition to the program. Now, we all know the importance of eating our fruits and veggies every day. You know, we also, I think, could probably all admit that we do not eat enough fruits and particularly probably vegetables as we should. Study after study after study of modern diet shows the lack of vegetables that are being consumed and the unfortunate health conditions that brings on. And so, as you know, and a couple of years ago, we launched our Super Greens, which is another great product. It is a supplement to help add to the lack of vegetables and fruits that we're eating on a daily basis. And so I would encourage you to use your stick pack of Super Greens likewise. It is a high concentration of vegetables and fruits. We know that high concentration of vegetables and fruits with the nutrients that it brings also helps boost energy. And I don't know if you knew this or not, but it actually contains a high concentration of lycium also, our Super Greens does. It actually contains more lycium than lycium plus. And lycium helps provide sustained energy without that dreaded crash. A lot of people, when they're looking for energy, they go out to these kind of quick pick-me-ups, whether it's an energy drink that are chock full of synthetic caffeines and sugars and whatnot. And yeah, you will be pumped up. You're going to have plenty of energy, but you also, a few hours later, are going to have that dreaded crash where you actually, you know, for me at least, I feel worse than before I drank it. And so our Super Greens is a great addition to your program. Again, guys, if we're not eating the fruits and veggies we need on a daily basis, look to Forever Super Greens because it is a great product. Now, one that if you've been around the Forever world for a while, this is probably one that you've taken for a number of decades, and it is one of the most natural sources of nutrients and energy that you can find, and that is Forever Bee Pollen. Our bee pollen, as you know, it's collected from the beehives. The bees go out to hundreds of different species of flowers and plants to collect the pollen. They bring it back to the hive. We have the benefit of harvesting it from the hive and turning it into a supplement that each of us can enjoy and take advantage of. It is a nutrient-dense substance, bee pollen. It is full of nutrients, packed full of nutrients, and again, it is also known to support healthy energy levels. So guys, as you're looking at your quarantine, this kind of new quarantined social distancing lifestyle that we're all facing, look to Forever, look to the products that can help bring you and maintain that motivation and energy that you're looking for. Again, our aloe vera gel, our RG Plus, Forever Fab or FabX, combine that with Forever Focus, Forever Therm, Forever Super Greens, and our Forever Bee Pollen. Just once again, guys, great being here with you. At the beginning, I thanked all of our great employees from around the world, but now I want to take this opportunity to thank each of you, our wonderful FBOs. We have watched how you have developed, how you have transitioned, how you have adapted to this new environment that we live in regards to sharing and building your businesses. And you guys have been absolutely fantastic. You have been inspiring to us here at the home office, and we are really, really proud of what you're doing. Keep up the great work. We're proud of you, and thank you for being part of the Forever family.